In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp messages to your LinkedIn leads automatically. So what will happen? Every time your lead will submit this LinkedIn lead generation form, we will automatically send a message on their WhatsApp number. And for sending these WhatsApp messages, I am going to use this Interact application, which has the access of official WhatsApp Cloud API. And in order to automate this whole process, I'll have to build an integration in Interact and LinkedIn lead generation form. And I'm going to integrate these two applications with the Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, simply click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name something like when new lead is arrived via LinkedIn lead generation form, then send WhatsApp messages. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now simply click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. Whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. According to our use case, whenever a new lead is arrived via your LinkedIn ads or via your LinkedIn lead generation form, then automatically send a WhatsApp message to your lead via Interact application. As I have told you, we are going to use this Interact application for sending the WhatsApp messages. Okay, now I am going to connect these two applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. Okay, so firstly select the trigger event. So basically I want whenever a new lead generation form response is received, this automation should trigger, or the form response should be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on connect, simply click on add a new connection, click on connect with the LinkedIn lead generation form, and provide the access of your LinkedIn account. Well, I have already provided this access, so I'll go with the existing connection, not going with the new connection. And once you have connected your LinkedIn account with the Pabbly Connect, further you can also go with the existing connection. And here you can see my LinkedIn account is connected. Now it is asking to select the account and the lead form. So whatever the lead forms and whatever the accounts are available into my LinkedIn account have started visible here. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn account, and here if I will show you the LinkedIn lead generation form, you will notice that I have created lot of forms and all these forms are visible. Okay, so I'm going to select this sample lead generation form. Okay, so I can close this tab, and here I'm going to select the same. Well, it has got selected automatically, and the account will also same, that is this. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see a blank response will be received because currently I have not initiated, I have not created any lead. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn account, and here if I will visit this advertise section, you will see a campaign group under which I have created a campaign name, that is lead generation. And in this campaign I have created two ads, and these two ads are actually into the draft mode, and we will work into the draft mode only because I am not running any live ads. I am creating this automation just to show you how you can create this automation or how connections can be made. Okay, so you just need to follow my steps one by one, and this is how you can connect your real LinkedIn lead ads with the Pabbly Connect or with the WhatsApp. Alright, so you will have to assume that I am running this particular ads on my LinkedIn account. Okay, and I own a firm of digital marketing. So looking to hire a digital marketing expert for your business, fill the form below and we will contact you shortly. Okay, and this is how the customer, the lead, will notice this particular form, and if they are interested, they are going to click on this button and they will find this lead generation form finally, and they are going to fill this form. Okay, so I'm also going to submit this form as a dummy user. Okay, so let us provide the details. dummy@pabblytunes.com is going to be the email address, and here I will also add one phone number. Again, it is a dummy phone number, 9111111111, and here into the first name and last name you can notice that I have default values as Pabbly and the subscription billing management service. Now from where it is taking these two values and why these first name and last name are already filled, or you can say pre-filled. Okay, so the LinkedIn account via which I am actually running these advertisement, or you can say I have created this advertisement, this particular account is associated with one of the company's page, and if I will edit this page in front of you, you will notice that in the first name and last name I have added this Pabbly and subscription billing management service. And since I'm not running any live advertisement, so that is why instead of taking the real names of the real leads, it is taking the name from this particular place, and I am not going to replace these values. And since we are working into the testing mode, so we will proceed with the same details because it is just an example. But in your case, when you will work with the real leads, don't worry, you can proceed with the real leads only by following the same process. Okay, so now I am going to submit this particular form in front of you. Okay, so let me click on submit. Alright, the form is submitted. Now I'll click on this button once again, and this time you will notice the response will be received immediately in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and if I will show you the details one by one, here you can notice that the same form name, sample lead generation form. If I will show you other details, you will notice the same email address we have the same phone number, and we have the Pabbly and subscription billing management service as the first name and the last name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our LinkedIn account, LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Now I am going to send a WhatsApp message to this particular person on his WhatsApp number. Now you must be thinking that how will I send a WhatsApp number to that dummy number? Don't worry, I will replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number when I am about to send the final message, but currently we will proceed with this particular number only. Okay, so interact application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is send WhatsApp message template. Now before I connect interact with the Pabbly Connect, let me first show you the dashboard of interact. Okay, so you can type this interact in your browser, create your account, and once the account creation is done, you can visit this template section into the interact application. Okay, so firstly come back to Pabbly Connect, click on this connect, and then click on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the secret key. So you can visit this particular link directly, and if you are already logged in into your LinkedIn account, it will directly redirect you to that specific page from where you can copy the secret key. So I have copied the same. Now I am going to save the same secret key here, click on save, and this is how my interact application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, now it is asking for the country code, phone number, and the full phone number. Now why it is asking for the phone number at two different places? Okay, so before I explain you, let me show you the note. Here it is clearly mentioned that it is mandatory to give a value for either phone number or for both phone number and the country code. Okay, so if you have the phone number along with the country code, in that case you'll have to provide the number into this specific field. But if you only have the phone number but do not have any country code, in that case you will have to pass your number into this specific field, and then we are going to separately provide the country code. Okay, in my case I have the full phone number, that is country code along with the plus sign and the phone number as well. Okay, so I am going to provide the phone number in which particular field? Basically into the full phone number field. And don't worry, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map this number, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and I am going to search for my phone number. So I have mapped the phone number. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details you are going to map here from your previous step, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. And just in case if I will provide any data here manually, that data will remain same, it will not be replaced in real time. Okay, now it is asking for the template code name. Okay, so let me show you a very interesting thing. Whenever you are planning to send the WhatsApp messages to your customers, to your clients using some official WhatsApp Cloud API application, in that case, firstly you will always have to create a message template first, then you will have to submit it for the approval, and once that template is approved, then only you can start sending the WhatsApp messages to your customers, to your clients. Here you can see under this active section I have created lot of message templates, among which few of them are approved, few of them are pending, and few of them are even rejected. You can differentiate the status of these templates from the colors. Okay, so the templates marked with the green color are actually the approved one, and the template marked with the red color are the rejected one. The templates marked with the yellow color are actually the pending one. Okay, and now you must be thinking that how you're going to create this template. Okay, so you can create the message template from this particular button, and don't worry, I will tell you everything that how the template creation is possible. But before that, firstly I'm going to show you that which template I have created and I have got approved for sending the thank you message to my leads. Okay, WhatsApp messages to my leads. Okay, so I have created this particular message template, and the name of my message template is thank you message to the new leads. Okay, and I have selected English as the language, and I have not included any header along with my message template because it was optional. In case you want to attach any text, any image, any video, or any document along with your header, you can also do the same. Now from here exactly you can create your message finally which you would like to send to your customers, to your clients. Okay, and you just need to create a single message template only, and with the same template we are going to send the messages to all the people. Now you must be thinking that what are these numbers packed with the curly braces. Okay, so whatever the data I want to keep on changing automatically, I have specifically kept to those things into the form of variables. Okay, so what will happen, the name of the customer will appear here and it will be replaced automatically. Okay, in your message template you can also add the footer and buttons, and again these are optional, it is completely up to you. If you really need it, you can add the footer and buttons along with your message. And here let me show you, currently we are into the view mode, but when you will edit this message template you will find the option of adding the variables. So you can add as many as variables as you want, and once you have created, you have composed your message, before you submit it for the approval you will always have to provide the sample to your message template. Now what are these samples? So basically we are telling the system that what values will come in place of these variables. You just need to specify a dummy content. Okay, once you have created this template and get it approved, it is now ready to start sending the WhatsApp messages. Okay, so firstly I am going to copy the template code from this particular URL. Okay, make sure that you do not include the slash part. Come back to Pabbly Connect and paste the same template code here. Okay, so basically we are telling Pabbly Connect that we are going to use this particular message template for sending the WhatsApp messages to our LinkedIn leads. Now it is asking for the language code. Okay, so if you have selected English as the language, you will have to provide the code EN. If you have selected English US, you'll have to provide this EN US. Okay, so I have selected which particular language, basically it was English, so I'll go with this EN code. Okay, now it is asking for the header value. Well, in my message template I have not included any header, so I am going to leave this particular field blank. Now it is asking for the body variable values, the most interesting part. Now we are going to specify that what values will come in place of these variables. Okay, how? You just need to provide the values separated by a comma. You can read the instructions also. Okay, so in place of first variable, I want that the name of the person should appear, so that is why I'm going to map the name from where, remember, we have received the values into our previous step, and in my previous step I have received the first name as Pabbly, as I have already told you that why we have received the name as Pabbly. Now I'm going to put a comma and going to provide the value to my second variable. Well, this is going to remain same, so instead of mapping this value from somewhere, I'm going to add this value manually, that is pabbly.com. okay, so currently I have only two variables, so I have provided the values to both the variables, and now I'm going to directly click on this button because I think I have provided all the details, and since I have not included any dynamic URL, any CTA button, so I will leave all these fields blank. Okay, but before I click on the final button, firstly I'm going to replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number, and I'm also going to delete this message in front of you so that I can show you how a new message will be received on my own WhatsApp number. Okay, so coming back, and let me add the number here. Alright, so I have provided my genuine WhatsApp number. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to receive. Well, the response is received already. Come back to my WhatsApp web, and here you can see the message is also arrived, and here we have the same message, that is, hello Pabbly, thank you for submitting the form and sharing details with us. One of our team member will contact you shortly, and we will listen all your requirements. Meanwhile, you can visit our website and check the services we offer at pabbly.com. Thanks again, Pabbly team. And here you can notice that how the name of the person has been added automatically in place of that variable. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time your lead is going to submit this lead generation form, they will automatically receive a WhatsApp message on their number. Now again, it is completely up to you that what kind of message you would like to send, whether you want to send any brochure, whether you want to send any image, it is completely up to you. And in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, and the trigger here is the polling based, so this is going to check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So when this automation will work in real time, the WhatsApp messages will get sent to every lead in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if the messages are not getting sent in real time, don't bother about this. Okay, you just have to wait for 10 minutes at least. Okay, but don't worry, the messages will get sent for sure automatically. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.